Hello, I'm Emma from Nova3D. This video is about the open box and first print of Elfin. So let's open the box first. Let's check what's in the starter kit. There's a plier used for cutting off supports from the print. Power adapter. Spatula for cleaning the resin vat. Spray bottle for spraying alcohol to clean the residual resin on the print. Filter for filtering the cured remains in the vat. Gloves to protect hands from injury. Remember to wear gloves when removing the print from platform. Allen keys and some spare screws. Next, let's plug in the power to turn on the printer. Press the power button and hold. Click Control, then click 50mm lift. Remove the protective foam. Remove the vat. Then remove the LCD screen protective film. After that, install the vat back. Pour the resin into the vat. Do not exceed the max line. Click Fire, then choose the test fire to print. Loosen the screw to remove the platform. First print is done. Very smooth surface. Press the power button to power off the machine. That's all for today. We have other videos to demonstrate detailed printing procedures. See you next time. Bye bye.